Hey guys, this is a Python programming question which was asked on the 10th of the May for the TCS CPA exam. Let's look at the question. First, we need to create a class diary product with attributes ID, brand, type, price, and grade. So let's create a class named diary product and then the constructor diary ID, diary brand, product type, price, and the grade. Next, we have to create another class with the name product grade. It accepts two attributes. One is a diary list and the other is a weightage dictionary. Sorry, the dictionary consists of the grade as their key values and weightage as their values. Let's create another class with the name product grade constructor diary list weightage dictionary. Now we have to create another method inside the class product grade with the name price based on brand and type. This method accepts two arguments. One would be the diary brand and the other would be the product type. We need to compare the given arguments with the arguments that are already present inside the given list. If they match, then we have to update the price of the product using the given formula, that is price plus price into weightage by 100. So to do that, first define a function price based on brand and type. Let the arguments be diary brand and product type. Sorry, first we need to traverse inside the list and check whether these two values match or not. I'm sorry. If the condition is true, then we have to update the price of that particular product, which is equals to I dot price plus I dot price into, to actually take the value of the given grade, that would be by 100. Yep. I dot price would be the price, and self dot weight would take the values of the dictionary, and I dot grade would give the grading. That is would be grade 1, grade 2, or grade 3. Now let's consider a variable flag. If the condition is true, then we have to return I. Let's return I, and before that, let's increment the flag variable. Now if flag remains 0, then return no dairy product was found. Flag remains 0, that means that the if condition was false, or that the product was not at all found inside the list. Now we have to write the main function and call it, and call the method price based on the brand type. We'll first look at the input. First we take a variable and we repeat the loop for the n number of times, and then we take another variable. This variable would be the number of times we have to repeat it for the weightage dictionary. Grade 1, 2 and 3 would be the key pairs, and 20, 10 and 5 would be the value ones. So for that, you have to input dairy ID, and then the dairy brand, product type, finally the price, and the grade. Initialize a list and a dictionary. Now append all the inputs into the list. Now take another input for the dictionary. Take the first variable to input the grades, and second variable to input the values. Now add them into the dictionary of x is equals to y. Now it is completely added. Now let's send the list and the dictionary into the class product grade. Consider a variable diary and call product grade and give dlist and dictionary. Now the variable diary consists of all the methods which are inside the product grade. The method product based on a brand type requires two inputs. Let's input the two inputs. Product type now let's call the function price based on brand and type. First the brand and then the type. If sorry yeah it is double equals to none, then print no dairy product found. Now let's take the input and check it. Yeah, let's try the other input. Well, that's it. Thank you.